our objective. The first one is to introduce to Ahmad about the basic accounting and bookkeeping. Next is to create business transaction for Sunshine Computer Sales and Services. The third one is to make a trial balance as at 31st March. Next, prepare the adjusting journal entries. And the last one is make a financial statement for Sunshine Computer Sales and Services. Everyone involved in business should know about the basic in accounting. In this situation, Ahmad should know about the basic accounting concept. Some of the concepts are the historical cost concept. It is a measure of value used in accounting in which the value of an asset on the balance sheet is recorded at its original cost. For example, Ahmad has to record the land he purchased 3 years ago at 300,000 in his accounting record for the same value in the current year. This means that even the replacement cost has increased, a certain item for sale will be recorded as Ahmad's inventory at its original cost. The second one is money measurement concept. Only transactions and events that are capable of being measured in monetary terms are recognized in the financial statement. This means that accounting transactions are focused with the quantitative rather than the qualitative data. In the example, Ahmad owned 100,000 cash, 50,000 raw material and a van. So he can find out the business owns because only the transaction that are expressed in monetary terms will be recorded in accounting book. Besides that, to have a sustainable business, Ahmad should know the basic assumptions underlying the preparation of financial statement, which are accrual basis, the method that allows a company to record the revenue receiving payment for goods or services sold or expenses or are recorded as incurred before the company has paid for them. As example, Ahmad sold a computer on credit depends to the agreement which it may take a few months to receive a full payment. So using the accrual accounting method, Ahmad will record the accrued revenue from the sale when the computer leaves the store and not at some date in the future when the payment have received. The next is going concern. The accounting term for a company that has the resources needed to continue operating or to remain in business in future. Example, Ahmad ensure all the inventories are always in stock, ensuring that his company can continue operating in the long term. So therefore, Ahmad needs to carry a certain attribute which qualitative characteristic. Qualitative characteristics are the attributes that make the information provided in financial statement useful to users, such as the first one is understandability. The concept that financial information should be presented so that a reader can easily comprehend it. The information should be complete, concise, clear, and organized. For instance, Ahmad can use charts or table to give information about his company instead of using text that are more boring. The last one is relevance. The information generated by an accounting system should impact the decision making of someone per using the information. For example, if Ahmad wants to take a loan from the bank, then the bank will want to know first the balance sheets, income statement, and cash flow in order to know the ability of the company to pay back. All those documents should be relevant for the bank in making their decision regarding granting a loan to Ahmad.
Okey, untuk bahagian transaksi, pada bulan Disember 2020, syarikat kami telah merekodkan transaksi bermula daripada 1 Disember dan telah menutup akaun syarikat kami pada bulan tersebut pada hujung bulan Disember. Okey, seperti yang anda dapat lihat pada bahagian General Journal, terdapat butiran office equipment ataupun kelengkapan pejabat. Hal ini kerana pada 11 Disember, syarikat kami telah membawa masuk perabot yang bernilai RM8,000 untuk kegunaan perniagaan kami. Dan ini telah menjadikan perabot tersebut sebagai office equipment. Seterusnya, bagi bahagian purchase journal, syarikat kami ada membeli barang perniagaan daripada perniagaan AT&T dan teknologi sendirian berhad. Pada 1 Disember, perniagaan kami ada membeli inventory daripada perniagaan AT&T secara kredit sebanyak RM7,000. Kemudian pada 3 Disember, syarikat kami telah membeli inventory daripada teknologi sendirian berhad bernilai RM4,000 dan ini telah menjadikan jumlah purchase journal ataupun account payable syarikat kami adalah sebanyak RM11,000. Kemudian untuk sales journal, syarikat kami ada menjual inventory kepada dua syarikat iaitu Perniagaan Salina dan juga ID Networking. Pada 5 Disember, syarikat kami telah menjual inventory kepada Perniagaan Salina sebanyak RM2,300 secara kredit dan pada 9 Disember, syarikat kami telah menjual inventory kepada ID Networking sebanyak RM6,250 dan ini telah menjadikan jumlah sales journal ataupun account receivable syarikat kami ialah sebanyak RM8,550. Okey, bagi return inward journal, pada 10 Disember, syarikat Perniagaan Salina telah memulangkan kembali sejumlah RM900 kepada syarikat kami berikutan terdapat kerosakan pada barang yang mereka terima daripada syarikat kami. Kemudian pada 14 Disember juga, ID Networking juga turut telah memulangkan sejumlah RM500 kepada inventory sebanyak RM500 kepada syarikat kami berikutan dengan terdapat kesilapan kepada inventory tersebut dan ini telah menjadikan jumlah return inward journal bagi syarikat kami iaitu RM1,400. Kemudian bagi cash book, pada 3 Disember, perniagaan kami telah membayar gaji pekerja iaitu RM1,200 kepada 6 orang pekerja iaitu jumlah sebanyak RM7,200. Dan juga pada 6 Disember, syarikat kami telah membeli van sebagai pengangkutan perniagaan kami sebanyak RM15,000. Kami juga ada menerima hutang account receivable daripada syarikat yang telah berhutang daripada kami dan juga kami telah membayar hutang di account payable kepada pembekal. Kami juga ada menyediakan perkhidmatan kepada pelanggan dan telah mendapat bayaran daripada perkhidmatan telah kami sediakan itu. Itu sahaja.
Next is a ledger. Ledger is an account to record business transaction. Every time we record, we will debit one account and credit one account. This recording system is called double entry bookkeeping. This is the ledger in the book of Sunshine Computer Sales and Service. So, as we can see, there are 24 accounts that we have been proceed for Sunshine's Computer Sales and Service business, such as capital, office equipment, insurance, petrol, salaries, stationery supplies, water and electricity, return inward, service revenue, sales commission, rent revenue, van, write-up, duty on purchase, insurance on purchase, motorcycle, drawing, purchase, account receivable Perniagaan Salina, account receivable ID Networking, account payable Perniagaan ATN80, account payable Teknologi Sdn Bhd, and the last one is bank account. Sebagai contoh untuk capital account, seperti yang dilihat di jurnal-jurnal tadi, terdapat butiran capital di bahagian kredit dan office equipment di bahagian debit. Jadi untuk merekodkan capital account ini, di sebelah kredit pada 11 Disember 2020, kami merekod office equipment sebanyak RM8,000 dan di sebelah debit pada 31 Disember 2020 adalah balance iaitu sebanyak RM8,000 juga. Next part is trial balance. Trial balance is a bookkeeping worksheet in which the balance of all ledgers are compiled into debit and credit account columns total that are equal. The general purpose of producing a trial balance is to ensure the entries in a company's bookkeeping system are mathematically correct. So, this is the trial balance for Sunshine's Computer Sales and Service at 31st December 2020. For bank account, with 10,000 ringgit, cash 8,290 ringgit, drawing 1,600 ringgit, duty on purchase 550 ringgit, write out 250 ringgit, insurance 1,200 ringgit, insurance on purchase 200 ringgit, motorcycle 4,700 ringgit, office equipment 8,000 ringgit, petrol 90 ringgit, purchase 11,670 ringgit, written inward 1,400 ringgit, salary 7,200 ringgit, stationery supplies 500 ringgit, van 50,000 ringgit, water and electricity 450 ringgit, account receivable for ID networking 5,000 ringgit, and account receivable perniagaan Salina is with 400 ringgit are at the debit side. And for capital account with 8,000 ringgit, rent revenue 50 ringgit, sales 58,800 ringgit, sales commission 550 ringgit, plus service revenue 2,800 ringgit, account payable for perniagaan AT&T 3,500 ringgit, and account payable teknologi sendiran berhad 2,800 ringgit are at the credit side. The total of the both side is 76,500 ringgit. So the total has shown the balance of the trial balance for our company.
So for statement number 1 in page number 4, as we can see here, perniagaan Salina has suddenly disappeared and her debt of 400 has been written off as bad debt. Jadi apa yang berlaku kat sini ialah perniagaan Salina secara tiba-tiba hilang dan meninggalkan hutang sebanyak 400 kepada perniagaan Encik Ahmad. Jadi apa yang kita perlu lakukan ialah we put bad debt expenses in the debit side and perniagaan Salina at the credit side. For number 2, insurance prepaid for 4 quarter of years starting December 1 until November 30. So as we can see here, perniagaan Encik Ahmad should actually pay just for 1 month, which is for December, but what his company do is they pay insurance for 1 year. So what we need to do is we need to divide 1,200 divide by 12 months, and we will get the exactly amount that Encik Ahmad should pay for 1 month only. For number 3, Sunshine Computer Sales and Service has earned service revenue 500 for service at the end of April. So dekat sini sebenarnya perniagaan tu dah menerima duit daripada servis, tapi mereka masih belum melakukan servis tersebut kerana servis tersebut perlu dilakukan pada bulan April. Jadi apa yang perlu kita buat ialah we need to debit 500 to service revenue and credit unearned service revenue. So for number 5, stationery supplies on hand at the end of December has a cost of 300. So perniagaan Sunshine ni dia membawa masuk stationery supplies pada hujung bulan Disember sebanyak 300. Jadi kita perlu assume yang stationery supplies tu as a capital. So stationery supplies will debit to account stationery supplies and credit to capital. So for number 6, the motorcycle has an estimate useful life for 5 years with a disposal value of 200. Record depreciation for 1 year. So dekat sini dia cakap motosikal yang dia beli tu ada estimate useful life dalam masa 5 tahun, dan their disposal value will be 200. So what we gonna do is we need to know the exactly amount of our motorcycle lah. So the amount of our motorcycle is 4,700. We need to minus with 200 and divide with 5 years, so we will get 900.
I will explain about statement of profit or loss. This statement will show either we will get net profit or net loss. For date, we have to put December 31st as we close the account at the end of the year. First of all, sales need to minus written inward in order to get net sales, which is 58,800 minus 1,400, and we got 57,400 for net sales. After that, we need to minus cost of goods sold, purchases, insurance on purchase, duty on purchase, and we got 12,420 for cost of goods sold, and then 57,400 minus with 12,420, and we got 44,980 for gross profit. Then we plus with revenue, which are service revenue, rent revenue, and sales commission, and we got 47,880. Then minus expense, which are bad debt expense, depreciation of motorcycle, freight out, insurance, petrol, salaries, stationery supplies, unpaid salaries, and water and electricity, and we got 36,690 for net profit. Next, I will explain about financial statement. Financial statement consists of 4 elements, which are non-current asset, current assets, owner equity, and current liability. Non-current assets consist of van, motorcycle, and office equipment. Van 15,000 plus with 4,700 minus with 900 and plus with office equipment, which are 8,000, and we got 26,800. In order to get current assets, bank, cash, insurance, prepaid, and account receivable, we need to add all of them, and we got 23,390. And then current asset plus non-current asset, and we got 50,190. Next is owner equity. Capital plus net profit. Net profit we got from statement of profit or loss, which are 36,690 minus withdrawing 1,600, and we got 43,390. For current liability, account payable plus unearned service revenue, we got 6,800. And then we plus with 43,390, and we got 50,190. This amount should be same. That's all.